Oh no.
Did my apartment look okay? Everything was all right?
Everything was fine.
Did you find any
It was
jojos?
nothing. It was not even necessary to clean the place. It was as clean as you could get.
Yeah, good.
As if you were not even away for so long.
Oh, I'm glad. Okay, so I'm recording now. Okay, so the first thing you do is you're going to go to Math Games, right? And log
Okay.
in, and then immediately remember, if you click on your name, Ria, it takes you to your class, it takes you to the assignments and all the things that you want. All right. Also, your students, this is your dashboard, right?
Yeah.
And by the way, if you get lost, just go ahead and click on Math Games again, and then it'll take you back to this, because there are two toolbars. There's this one, which is the permanent one, and then there's this one that's nice because then it tells you how the kids are doing, and that's how I can see which of my kids has been doing the work that I asked them to do. And I know
Okay.
why
And
they
which
have.
one was that?
Okay, so going back, so I logged into Math Games, right? Before I
Yeah.
clicked on my name, I have this toolbar here, and then I have this
Okay.
toolbar here. If I click on my name, it takes me to this account. But you can also see report cards here.
Okay.
Okay? So you can just play around with it. And also, this is
Yeah.
where you would create an assignment. So if you see kids aren't doing, this is what we call response to intervention. If kids aren't doing well, you could say, listen, you guys didn't do so well on this, so I'm going to create an assignment. I want you to finish it, right? Now, what we're going to do, though, is I'm going to go back to Math Games, because what I want to do is create a workbook. So you click on Math Games. This is always going to be your home button, right?
Yes.
This is personal to you here. This is Math Games just in general. And you're going to click on workbooks, right? And then
Yes.
for our next term, we're doing measurements. And I say let's just do 12 questions for now. Okay, because look how much time it predicts will take. And I'm going to choose full because I want them to be able to have a place to do the work. And then don't forget to change the grade, because otherwise it defaults to reception. All right, and then we're going to choose what do we want them to be able to do, and we're doing measurement. So I'm going to go all the way down until I find measurement. There's measurement, and I'm picking all of these. I've already picked them. Okay, that's why it's green. If I hadn't picked them, okay, but I'm picking measurement like this.
Okay.
All right. Now, alternatively, you can also do standard. Like, what is it we want them to be able to do from the standards, right? But for now, let's just do the skill, because that's the skill we're working on. Okay, so I've picked measurement, all three. And I'm just going to go up to the top, make sure that I have the name of the workbook, how many questions, I want it full. I've picked third grade. I'm ready to go. So now it should have generated a preview here, but it's not, it's still, okay. Then I'm going to click on generating. And it will do it. And then once it's done, it will download it to my computer. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm having an issue with this Ria right now, so it's actually not, it's not doing it, but it's not because it's the internet. That's why it's not doing it. Okay? So let's pretend it's generated it, right? Now I'm going to go to my drive. Let me log in again. Let's do this. Right, now I'm going to go to my drive. Sorry, here's my drive. Okay, and I'm going to go up here to new, file upload. Remember, this is all being recorded.
Okay.
And then I'm going to find the workbook that I just did. Okay. And And I'm going to pretend, remember we did addition sentences? We actually did measurements. That's the title, but it's taking too long because of the internet. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Pretend this says measurements, okay? And you're looking for that PDF. So I'm going to double click on that. And now watch. It's going to upload it to my my drive. All right.
Okay.
And if you can't find it, just click on it and it'll show you where it is.
Okay.
All right. And here it is. There it is. Okay.
Okay.
If I couldn't find it that way, I could just click on addition sentences and I would find it that way as well. There it is. Okay. Now I open it up.
It will automatically open up under Kami, or must you
Yeah,
say open under Kami?
No, because we're using Kami, it defaults to Kami.
Okay.
So let me I'm just curious if this is finished generating. Yeah, I think I can forget about this. I don't think it's going to happen. I might have to sign out and start again.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to let me do it.
No, but I'm going to try tomorrow in any case.
Yeah, and then we'll see what happens for you.
Yeah.
But anyway, so back to the original. So there's the workbook. There it is. Right? So now I know it's there. The only thing that you might have to do, well, I'm going to show you how to do it. You don't want the answers in there, right?
No.
So what you need to do is you need to split it. So you're going to click on split and merge documents. And then just press continue to split and merge. It's basically asking you which one do you want to split and merge? Which one is it? Do you want? It's this one. Next. Okay. I don't want this page, so I'm not going to include that. And I don't want this page because I don't want them to have the answers. There's no need for the title page because we're not printing it.
Yeah.
So all I'm going to do is put this one in. Drag and drop. Okay. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm creating a new document. I'm going to click on export. And this is what I don't understand. Oh, I'm going to add it to my Google Drive. Select folder. I'm just going to say math. Select. Continue. Now I'm going to go back to my drive. I'm going to go to my folders. Or I can even do it this way. There's my math. And there it is.
Okay.
So now I have it. I'm just getting rid of all of this because it's really slow. All right, so now all you do is assign it in Google Classroom the way you would a normal assignment. You assign it with Kami.
Mm-hmm.
And then what we'll say is, you know, on Monday, please do pages such and such. Tuesday, please do pages such and such. Right?
Yeah.
So you can see this one's just this is just 3 pages of work. Right? Now, Ria, the only thing with this is then we have to mark this. Okay? Alternatively, what we can do, let me just sign in again. Maybe it'll stop. Alternatively, is I'd rather have them do it online. I'd rather have them do it in the classroom, to be honest with you.
Mm. Yeah.
So this is what I would prefer to do. So let me show you. This is another way to do it. Okay. So you sign in. and you get to this page. The way you get to this page is by clicking on your name. So sometimes it should take you straight to your home page, but if it doesn't, just click on your name and it takes you there, right?
Okay.
Then create an assignment. And we're going to call it, what is it we want to call it? Let's call it measurement. I'm just going to call it measurement for short, okay?
Yeah.
And I'm linking it with Google Classroom. All right. What day do you want to do? All right. I want to do on Monday. All right. So I'm going to click on Monday. And what are we doing? We're doing measurement. So I'm going to go down to measurement. There it is. And I'm just going to do light and heavy just for the fun of it. All right. And look, it says it's going to take 3 to 4 minutes for them to do it. All right. So now I'm going to, let's see, I might add something else. I might just, instead of calling it measurement, I might call it Monday math. And then 6, 29, 20. So now I know this is math for Monday only. Okay. I can also change how many questions I want them to do. Maybe 20, but that's too much. If a kid knows it, they know it. You just need 10. Okay.
Yeah.
And we're not going to worry about topics because that's in the classroom. All right. All my students, I want all of them to do it. So then I click on all my students. See, now it says, remember, see how it said none assigned? Now I want all my students assigned. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's grade 3. I've selected the skills, right? Now I'm going to create it. Watch. Now, this is very important. Go and view Classroom in Google Classroom. I have to do this quickly because I'm running out of recording time. Sorry, this is going to be a really long video. You might want to skip to it. Okay, so here it is, right? Now I want to change it though. I'm going to edit it because I don't want it to go out now. I mean, it is going to go out. That's the problem. It doesn't give me the opportunity. Oh, darn it. That's right. I forgot. It doesn't give me the opportunity to send it later. Okay. But
why not?
It just doesn't for some reason. But I'm going to put it in on Monday like that. Okay. And I'm actually not going to save it because I don't want this to go out. I'm going to, but you see, so now it's done. This is their math assignment for Monday. But what's beautiful about this, Ria, is that once we go back to math games, once they've done it, it's already graded for you. And that's what creates those grades that the kids, and if you see an F in there, the F is because they didn't do it. But I also had a kid in there who had a C, and that tells me that they don't understand it.
Okay.
So what you do then, you build your lesson on Monday around what you're doing in your assignments. But what we can also do, so hang on, I'm just going to go back and delete this because I don't want my kids to have this. I don't want to have it in here. Sorry, let me just get rid of it. Actually, what does this mean? Manage math games. I wonder what that means. Huh. I wish I could give it more access. Oh, that's Cami. Oh, it's because we're not on a paid account. Okay, never mind. All right. So anyway, you know when we showed the grades, see how my kids all have A's here? That's because they did the assignment, they did well. But if I see a kid who has an F, that means they didn't even do it. But look here, she's got a B, this kid's got a C, and this kid's got a D. That means they didn't understand the concept. So these are the kids that I'm going to intervene, and I'm going to give them a little extra work. No one else will know about it because I'm going to assign it only to them.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you can do all that here in the classroom. Like, so if I wanted to assign this to kids,